Hey, what's going on, my YouTube fam? I want to thank y'all for all the support, the likes, the subscribers, the comment. Yeah, that's what's up. Thank you guys and gals. Anyway, today we got the Yeti X professional microphone. It has custom forward capacitor, condenser, array for greater focus and clarity, high-res LED arrays help you visualize your voice level, multifunction smart knob control, headphone volume, mic gain, blend and mute, Blue Voice broadcast, vocal effects, including streamer and podcast reset. Okay. Custom lighting for personalizing your mic, full versatile pickup pattern. Let's get this baby out the box. Savage know this might not be the best mic on the market, but I wanted to give it a try. We're recording on this thing right now. This is your quick guide, your setup guide. Check it out. I won't go through it. Pause if you need to. Paperwork, warranty information. If any of you out there are using this mic, put your experience in the comments. Savage really appreciate that. So we have a mini USB cable. Disappointing. Logitech should have had a USB-C cable. Keep up with the time, Logitech. And here we go. Man, that baby got some weight on it. I think I'm gonna put this baby on a boom. Yeah, I'm gonna get an arm for this thing. And I like the way this thing look and feels. Let's hope it performs like it look. this is the bottom of the microphone. Right there you have your connection for your boom. You have a headphone jack, 3.5 millimeters, whatever. Anyway, that mini USB port. There you go. In your face. Like I say, I'm doing this recording on the mic now. Let Savage know what you think about it in the comments. Bam. There it is. All right, so let's get into this G-Hub app. See what we got in that, baby. All right, YouTube. Here we have the Yeti X professional microphone. And we just did the unboxing of it. And this is the Logitech G-Hub. I'm in the settings. And as you can see, I already have things preset. So first up here, you have the microphone, you have blue voice. You can play with the different presets in the voice. Nice few selections. This right here is the crisp and warm setting. This is the FM setting. This is the Broadcaster 2 settings. So forth and so on. Also, it's a nice thing that they have incorporated the Nvidia Broadcasting setting. And let's see if I can get that to the screen here. Bear with me a moment. This right here, this will be your Nvidia Broadcasting app. What it does, it removes background noise and stuff from the background while you're speaking into the mic. It is apparently now incorporated into the G-Hub software. So, that being said, you can get that out the way. And you can also set your patterns and everything right here too, right from the app. You have effects, different effects that you can try. All right, let's see what we come up with. Try it out. It's titanium black. There we go. Nvidia G40 RTX 3080 Ti 12 GB GDDR6X PCI Express 4.0 graphics card in titanium black.
Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 Ti
12 GB GDDR6X PCI Express 4.0 graphics card. Alright, so that's a few things that you can do with the effects there. I got that all.
Alright, so we jump back in the blue voice setting. Right here you can see you have a equalizer here. Got a high pass, master output level, voice EQ, and input gain control here. Also, you got a signal cleanup. All right, so Logitech suggests that you turn off the noise reduction when you're running that Nvidia Broadcast app. plug-in on there. Okay, so you got noise reduction, which is off because I have that app for Nvidia Broadcasting App. You got your gate, you got your compressor, and your other settings over here. Okay, I mean, so far that's about it. On the low voice, soft right here. I'm on that effect. So anyway, just showing you a few things from the Blue Yeti X and the G Hub app. But I want to show you guys one more thing here. So under the blue voice, right here, got enable blue voice. Okay, you click this browse button, it's gonna pull up some presets that smart people like you guys have made. Okay, you can just click on this download link and you can download this straight into your effects. Okay, straight into your blue voice effects. Okay, just wanted to show you that quick tidbit. I mean, you got plenty of them. Look at all these. That's a lot. All right. Anyway, like, subscribe. You know what to do. Savage Tech out.